The role of advanced ceramic manufacturing in aerospace technology.
In the ever-evolving landscape of aerospace technology, advanced ceramic manufacturing has emerged as a game-changer, providing unparalleled benefits and innovations. Vertex Optics, a leader in this field, has been at the forefront of developing cutting-edge ceramic components critical to the aerospace industry. These advanced ceramics offer exceptional properties such as high-temperature resistance, lightweight structures, and superior mechanical strength, making them ideal for various aerospace applications. Advanced ceramics, from turbine blades to thermal barrier coatings, are instrumental in boosting the performance and efficiency of aerospace systems. At Vertex Optics, our unwavering commitment to innovation and quality ensures that our ceramic solutions not only meet, but exceed the stringent demands of aerospace engineering. By harnessing our expertise in advanced ceramic manufacturing, we empower aerospace companies to achieve unparalleled reliability and performance in their aircraft and spacecraft, propelling the industry into new frontiers.